Menteri Rangbaha Ukonrad ke sangma ke jela mentah ke singi arpunyo terik uleber araja apunre ulapli ke jingiakop lieng ke basan singi ha riboy district ya ke belatip kum ka first edition jong ka Indian Sailing League berkini ke jingiakop kan kut ha ka lai puwei terik ya kini ke jingiakop la penlong ha ke jingi lang ke tanah jengok kai perthai ke sorkar jela bar ke seng sailing club ha kini ke jingiakop la dan chis pa prapu arngut ki nongi shim bynta ne kini san pu prangut ki day ki bawa lawan na prateli ki wei kiri ke perthai hakani ke sengi menteri rangba ke jela ul ai kuble ya u lieutenant colonel u alok ya dev bat ya u ba cyril vd ding do ki bala treshi tom ban penlong ya kini ke jingiakop lieng ke ban ningkong bar ke jing temu jong ka ka long ban khot ban wer ya ki briu na keleng ke perthai bakin wan cha meghalaya u menteri rangba ul ong ba kum ke sarkar kalapan kre kum no ban jam shakman ban kenti wa ki khatsan snem ban wan bat palat ya ka san pu snem shakma la ya thu ba ka national game kan long house nem arachar arpnyo bat ukmi linti bakin don ki we ki chingile ka ki bahe kom ka olympic house nem arachar lai pun rio o menteri rangba udon ki chingit scam baling ba ki ni ki chingeko alla bandang ra ya ka jilla kham chakma ha ka perthai ha ka ni ki singi ple ya ka ni ki chingeko lieng la don lang ru menteri ka jingo kai perthai utimoti di shira bat ki we ki officer kham tam ha ke jingi dan lang ki nongi shimbenta ha ke ni ke jingi kop lieng.
Very happy that we are hosting the first Indian Sailing League right here in Umiam, and this has been something that we've been wanting to do for a long time because we have felt that there is a huge potential in Umiam, and we have not been able to unlock that potential for many years. So now it's just not a tourist destination, but it is also a location where activities take place. We've had many regattas in the past, and now we've taken it to the next level where we have almost 182 sailors coming from different parts of the world. About 14 countries plus are participating, and this is one of the largest leagues of its kind. So we are very happy with the response, and I must congratulate the entire team that has made this a possibility. This also opens up a huge opportunity for our own youngsters who would be able to take this up as a sport, and those who wanted it, they didn't have a platform earlier, now they will have it. So we really do expect that in the years to come, many of our own youths will also participate and will get into sailing and other water activities so that we can produce world-class sports persons at the state, national, as well as at the international level. Thank you so much.
You have the person to connect the sailing association. How that Mekra will start? But till now we don't have the sailor.
We have about 5 sailors from our state who are participating in this. There is one club from Meghalaya which is participating. So it is a humble beginning, but I'm sure that in the years to come more will participate. Simply because there was not a platform and no activities and no support in the past. Now that this has come up, I'm very sure that we'll have many sailors coming up from our own state also who will join this sport and participate in these tournaments.
This state will fall under tourism or the sport department?
It doesn't make a difference. At the end of the day, the activity has to be organized. In this particular case, it was the tourism department that handled it. In the days to come, we will see what is more practical and more feasible to do. And accordingly, we will make the arrangements. But as of now, the tourism department is handling it. But sports also obviously will play an important role in this. Thank you.